Hey guys, it's Miffin and welcome to my world. So, for today's video, since this is actually my first ever vlog or video or mini vlog, what I'll be doing is I am going to give you 15 facts about me. So, for anything else, let's begin. Fact number 1. So, my full name is Jan Delphine Kilpa or Jan Delphine P. Kilpa. Fact number 2. So, I am born ready. I was born on March 26, 2005, and let's proceed now on the 3rd, which is I am currently 21 years old. So, yun, may connection naman kasi yun, kaya tinuloy ko na. May connection siya. So, 21 years old na ako, and meron po tayong yan ang height natin. Fact number 4. Pero guys, I am proud. I am actually proud. I'm proud. I'm happy because I already accepted that I only have 5'2" height. Nag-start ko na siyang na-accept. Na-accept ko siya back when I was in senior high school. Kasi, as a dancer, maano natin mamaya, yung mga susunod sa mga facts, malalaman nyo kung bakit tinatawag or kinakabi sarili ko as dancer. So, as mahilig sumayaw, yun lang sabihin natin, as mahilig sumayaw, since yung height ko ay hindi naman ganun katangkaran, lagi akong napupunta sa harap. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na lahat ng ka-height ko is merong potential or magaling sa pagsayaw. Pero sa akin lang kasi, I love dancing and I think I'm good at it. Kaya I think, naserve ko pupunta sa harap. So, yeah, let's move on. Move na tayo sa sunod. Okay. So, ang aking gender identity is gender fluid. And bisexual is my sexual orientation. No further explanation na hindi ko kailangan explain kung bakit gender fluid yung gender identity ko. Hindi ko kailangan explain kung bakit bisexual yung sexual orientation ko. Yeah. Okay, next. So, for fact number 8, I count myself as a dancer. To be specific, yung genre na talagang kinakahiligan kong isayaw, especially nung kapag nagtatawag sila na magpa-perform sa school back when I was in junior and senior high school. At nung elementary actually. Yung genre na talagang sinasayaw ko is festival dances and folk dances. Number 9, I love singing and listening to music. Like, siguro guys, kung kasama niyo ako dito sa bahay, hindi ko alam kung maririndi ba kayo sa akin. Pero, most of the time, since gusto ko talagang kumanta, listening to music, halos lahat ng ginagawa ko sa bahay, magbubugas ako ng plato, magwawalis ako, magmamap ako, kahit anong oras yan, kumakanta ako. Kahit naliligo ako sa banyo, nagkakaroon ako ng mini concert inside bathroom, like while taking a bath. So, yeah. Okay, next. Number 10. I am into fashion. I do love doing mix and match pagdating sa pananamit. Like, may mga errands or may mga events akong attendan, nagiging extra ako most of the time. Hindi ko na isasabihin or hindi ko na i-sugarcoat na sometimes. Kasi most of the time talaga, kilala ako sa pagiging extra pagdating sa pananamit. Kasi 1 to 2 weeks prior the event or prior the errand na napupuntahan, nakaready na yung idadamit ko. Kasi I'm a type of person na kapag may isang bagay akong inisip na nagagawin, kailangan ko siyang gawin agad kasi hindi niya ako pinapatulog. So, kahit na 1 to 2 weeks prior yung event or yung errand pupuntahan, yung damit pa lang, iniisip ko na siya. Like, pinag-iisipan ko na agad yung idadamit ko for that specific day. Kaya ganoon ako ka-extra. So, yeah, basta ganun. Next is, I love makeup. Wala akong masyado gaanong makeup. Like, yung mga makeup na ginagamit ko is hindi siya mamahal, yung super affordable. Yung iba nga, hindi ko alam kung FDA approved ba or what. Pero ginagamit ko siya. So, ang ilan na pala yun. Ay, bahala na. Basta next. aside from I love makeup, I also love skincare. So, kung mas ikukumpara ko, syempre, mas, mas angat ng yung pagka-love ko or gusto ko sa skincare compared to makeup. Kasi, doing both naman kasi, it's a way for me to take care of myself, to help me become more presentable and confident. Kumbaga, confident naman ako maski wala akong makeup or meron. It's just that parang mas nabibigyan lang ako ng more confidence pag nag-aayos ako ng sarili ko. Sino ba naman ang hindi, di ba? Like, syempre, for example, may presentation sa school or merong mga events na gaganapan. Sino ba naman yung gustong magmukhang parang bagong gising lang na pupunta doon, di ba? So, basically, aside from ligo, yung skincare ako, nag-makeup ako. So, yun na nga, kanina ko pa sinasabi na back when I was in grade 10, back when I was in junior high school, back when I was in senior high school, it is because I'm already a junior for third year college. So, yes, third year college na po ako, and I'm currently enrolled kasi last June this year. Nalimutan ko na yung specific date, pero yun yung enrollment namin. Last week siguro ng June yun, or second to the last, basta last week siguro basta June, enrollment namin for third year. And I am currently, hindi siya current kasi wala pa naman nag-start yung school year. But I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. And I am an irregular student. So, ano lang siya, parang context kung bakit ako naging, ano tawag doon? Wala, nalimutan ko na. Kung bakit ako naging irregular. Kung bakit ako naging irregular is because I am a transfer student last school year. So, nung second year college ako, nag-transfer kasi ako dito. So, dati, I studied at my first year college, yung year na yun, yung whole first year college ako, nag-aaral ako sa University of Northern Philippines, back when I was in Ilocos Sur, and then I transferred second year college here, which is sa mga fact or pang 14th na fact is I'm currently enrolled and going to study Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management here in Isabela State University, Tiaga Main Campus. Okay, so pang last na fact about me is I'm a bit of fan, and that's why I love watching BL series. So, yeah, that's the 15 facts about me, and yeah. Kung meron pa kayong mga katanungan, guys, if you have question, like if you're curious about something about me, you can just comment down below. Oh yeah, that would be all. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next one.